Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we did a bit of work. We had to replace the grinder that you see right here. This one unfortunately was not grinding correctly and we had to replace it. And we also had to do a tune-up on this machine. The brilliant machine was in a pretty rough shape, but we were able to clean completely everything in there and replace all the O-rings and the gaskets of the brilliant itself. Once we put it back in there, we did a cleaning cycle to the whole machine. We did a discarding cycle as well, and we put it back together. So yeah, that's what we did. We also did clean this, disassembled the entire steamer and did clean it as well. We also cleaned the spouts. So yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna be testing this entire side, including the steamer, and then we're gonna be doing an espresso shot to test this side. Now the machine is ready. Nice foam coming out through the spout. We can increase or decrease as you want. Good foam. Working good. Nice color and nice flow coming out through the cappuccino spout on the back over there. Great. You see the nice coffee. No leaks coming out through the spouts or anything like that. Excellent flow. Now we're gonna do an espresso shot. That's to test as possible. Okay? Pre-infusion and extraction. Nice gentle stream coming out through the spouts. Excellent color as well. Great shot of espresso. Good crema. So there you have it, Jura Impresa G9 working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.